So this time, let us proceed with our next topic. So it's all about factoring polynomials. Okay, class, factoring polynomial is divided into 4. So today, anak, focus muna tayo factoring by common monomial factor. Okay, again, it is divided into 4. So those are, first, the common monomial factor. The second one is the difference of two squares. The third one, we have the quadratic trinomial, and the fourth one is the perfect square trinomials. Okay, so but before that, let us define first what is the meaning of factoring. Okay, so when we say factoring, it is the process of finding the factors of the given polynomials. Or another term for factoring is the reverse process of multiplication. Kabaliktaran daw siya ng multiplication. Example sa multiplication, 3 times 2. What is the answer? 6. Dito sa factoring, ang ibibigay si 6. Kukunin natin yung factors. Do you understand? O halimbawa, 5 times 4. O 20. That is the multiplication. So dito sa factoring, ang ibibigay ko si 20, kukunin niyo yung factors. Anong factors ni 20? 5 times 4. Ano pa? 10 times 2. 1 times 20. So that is factoring. Do you understand? And in factoring, commonly ang ginagamit or kinukuha natin ay mga prime numbers. Sometimes lang naman ito, hindi lahat. When we say prime numbers, a number greater than 1 that has only 2 positive factors, which is 1 and itself. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. Okay, give me a factors of 2. Or sa Tagalog, mag-isip kayo anak ng dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply ko, 2 ang lalabas. 2 times 1. May iba pa po ba? Therefore, kapag ang factors ay 1 at itself, therefore, the given number is a prime number. Dalawa lang daw yung factors, anak. Okay, sabi daw dyan, has only 2 positive factors, which is 1 and itself. Check natin kung si 3 ay prime number. Give me a factors of 3.
3 times 1.
3 times 1. Bukod kay 3 times 1, meron pa po ba? Wala na po. Therefore, 3 is also a prime number. Proceed tayo anak kay 4. Give me a factors of 4.
2 times 2.
Okay, 2 times 2. Ano pa po?
4 times
4 times 1. Ilan na yung factors niya? Dalawa na po. So, meaning, bukod sa 1 and itself, meron pang 2. Therefore, 4 is not a prime number. Anong tawag kay 4? Ang tawag na po sa kanya ay composite number. Do you understand the meaning of prime number? Okay, so this time, let us focus na sa first type of factoring, which is the common monomial factoring. So, in common monomial factoring, so we need to apply this pattern. So, this is the pattern. We have ax plus ay is equal to a multiplied by x plus y. O, paano po nakuha yung sagot na yan? So, to find the answer, we need to follow the 3 steps. Okay, so step 1. Everyone, can you read?
Find the greatest common monomial factor
MF of the terms?
of the given polynomial.
Okay, I'll step 1 down. So, using the given, we have a x plus ay. So, step 1 daw anak, find the GCMF, or what we call the greatest common monomial factors of the given polynomials. Okay, nung elementary kayo, nakapokus lang sa GCF. What is the meaning of GCF? Greatest common factor. This time, meron na pong M. Bakit may M? Okay, M stands for monomial. Ibig sabihin, ang monomial ay types ng poly na kung saan meron na pong variable at constant. Or the numerical and the literal coefficient. Kasi anak, pag sinabi natin GCF lang, numbers lang siya. Pero dahil meron na tayong variables, so meron na tayong M dapat na ilalagay, which is the greatest common monomial factors. Step 1 daw, get the GCMF. How to get the GCMF? Identify, ano yung common factors sa given binomial? Okay, how many terms do we have? 2 terms. So sa first term, ano yung variable? AX. Sa second term, AY. Ano yung common sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, therefore, our GCMF is A. Then step 2, girls, can you read?
Find the remaining factor by dividing the given by the GCMF.
Okay, we need to find the RF, or what we call the remaining factors. So how to find the remaining factor? Just divide the given by the GCMF. GCMF. So this will become AX plus AY divided by what? What is the GCMF? A. Apply cancellation if necessary. We can cancel what? A. Anong natira? X. And then dito, ano pwedeng cancel? A. Ano pong natira? Okay, Y. That is the remaining factor. Then last step, step number 3. Boys, kindly read. Okay, so last step is by getting the factored form. Okay, how to get the factored form? Ano pong sabi dyan? Just combine what? The GCMF and the remaining. What is the GCMF? A. And what is the remaining factor? Okay, take note na kapag sinulat natin, kinombine, yung remaining factor lagi nasa loob ng. Okay, therefore, this is the answer of the given polynomials. Equal po ba sa ating pattern? A multiplied by X plus Y. So that is the process on how to find the factors using the common monomial factor.